Hello viewer, welcome to HR Amir vlog. Hope you are staying safe and healthy. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for career guidance and immediate job notification.
And here is the video to apply for a job at Amazon. The requirement is for investigation specialist, for which even a fresher can apply. Good if you have experience into same field. Any graduate or postgraduate can apply for this designation. This location requirement is at Hyderabad. Being time it will be a work from home. Salary what they are offering is 2,75,000 to 3,75,000 per annum in INR, Indian currency. Skills required, you must be very good at communication skills. Like you must be good at English and analytical skills. When I talk about analytical skill, it's advanced Excel. As I have suggested to many of the people to train yourself on advanced Excel. We provide training on same, so if you want can approach us for the training, online coaching. Now the description box. We are looking for people with outstanding communication skills, analytical skill, as well as passion for process improvement and problem solving. Yes, you must have a capacity to solve query of vendor. Now who is vendor? The one who sell their product on Amazon. So while supplying the product to their customer, there must be a requirement of continuous support by seller support. Means investigation specialist. You need, being investigator, you need to, your responsibility will be to investigate the problem and come up with solution on immediate basis. You must be flexible to work in any of the shift, means 24/7 rotational shift. Number 2, I'll be explaining you about how to apply for a job. Number 3, how to pass the interview. I'll be pasting this link in the description box, application link. You need to click on I'm not a robot, click next, and then proceed with the application form. Here, click on description, read it carefully, and begin with the application process. Here, click on the source, select where did you find a job post, then continue with this record, followed by the detailed information of yours. Once you click the submit button, you will be receiving an email to appear for the test, and you will be having 24 hours of time, 24 to 48 hours of time, maximum 48 hours. Now, how to pass the interview and what are all the rounds? Number 1, voice and accent. Once you apply for a job, you will be receiving an email. As I said, within 48 hours you need to finish the test, and this round consists of speaking, writing. It can also be a listening and reading. When I talk about listening part, make sure to close your eyes when you listen to something, so this way you'll be able to concentrate and reply immediately. Writing test and speaking, especially in speaking, make sure you speak louder and clear and skip the word which you are unable to pronounce. This way you may not be lacking at fluency. And in writing test, when you write an email to someone, write introduction in 3 lines, followed by scenario 1, scenario 2, scenario 3. It means 3 passages. Each passage must consist of minimum 4 to 5 lines, and end it with conclusion. For example, in conclusion, comma, any of the quotation in single line, thank you, then regards. And make sure the email consists of 120 words to 150 words in between. This way it will be very impressive and may meet your requirement. And if you clear voice and accent, will be receiving a call for operation, HR and operation. And what are all the points of rejection? I'll be pasting the list of rejections in a description box. You can go through it. Still, if you have any query relevant to an interview at Amazon, feel free to ask me in comment section. This way more people may get the answer.
And thank you for your valuable time. Wish you the luck.